In continuation of image mode, I shall explain diversity and collisions. Diversity window enables us to group items according to its color ID or type, or randomly, which is the default setting. In this forest, there are 3 items. By default, the diversity is random. If we have this image, for example, to use it as a distribution map, switch to Match Color ID on a map. First, we must have the image as material in the material slot. Then click No Map, select it from the material browser, and here is the map. Now, open Geometry Rollout, and let's change the color ID for each item. That is the way to distribute items by matching their color IDs with a map. The color IDs must not be exactly the same to the colors of the map. It's enough to be close to it. To add some noise to the distribution, change noise value. Using Match Color ID will ignore the probability of the items. It will distribute the item according to the color ID map. Also, it's possible to apply any bitmap with the color ID map. This is another example, shows how to distribute items by matching color IDs on a map. This is the map. These items with red color ID and these with white color ID. Finally, they added some noise. Getting back to distribution and then diversity window and switch to cluster. This mode groups the item according to their type. We can use clusters to get diversity like in this photo. Here are some parameters to control the size of each cluster. And the roughness for each cluster, the blurry edges, and the noise. Finally, we have collisions. Enabling collisions creates a virtual sphere surrounds the items. We control radius and height of the collision sphere to get to the wanted result. This is an example, shows a different height and radius values, and how that affects the relation between the items.